Well, you updated to the new agent site. Congratulations. Now, what do you do with that site? We're going to talk about that. So let's go. Before we get started, I gotta give you guys a quick plug for KW Tech The Halls. It's coming up on December 6th. I know it's a couple months away, but you're going to want to get your tickets now. They're only $15. What is that going to get you? It's going to get you a full day, 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. of all the tech that you can handle and how to implement that in your business and in command. And leaders, we've got something for you too. So don't worry, there's something for everyone, and it's going to be a cool gamified experience this year. So get your tickets now while you've got the early bird price of only $15 per person. And Market Centers, we have a whole deal, only $199 for the whole Market Center to stream the event. So get your tickets now while you can. November 28th, tickets go up. And I hope to see you guys at Tech The Halls, December 6th. Hey everybody, it's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer. And guess what? Today, we're going to edit our website some more. I love how much customization you can put into this website, and we're going to show you exactly how to do more. So today, I want you to go ahead and log into Command. We're going to add a testimonial to our website. So you're going to click on the consumer applet on the bottom left-hand side of your screen, and you're going to click on Edit My Website. It's going to take you to the website editor, and it's going to look something like this. At the very top, you can see that you have your website you can click on and look at, and then you have some quick start options. So what I like to do is adding a testimonial. I just click on Testimonial, and then I go to my favorite website where I collect testimonials, and I just put in the testimonial that I got from my clients. So I have my testimonials from my clients on my association website. So you can see, here they are. And some people put stuff, some people didn't. So what you see here on testimonials is, when you're adding a testimonial, is that you have to put a star rating, but you also have to have an actual review. So if you just have a review with a star rating, Command is not going to let you add that to your website. So you're going to make sure that you're writing down the actual review. And so I'm going to put my star rating for this Briar Canyon Court property, and I'm going to put on here what they said. All right, so that's what they said. This is going to be first name. Just that. And this was Tomba. Okay, so I have my review in here now. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Save, but then I'm also going to click Publish. And that's going to put this testimonial on my website. So let me go over to my website. I'm going to click on Refresh. And now you can see I have this testimonial that I just put on my website here in my featured testimonial. And that's it. Isn't that awesome? Easy to put on, easy to copy and paste from any review site that you're collecting reviews. So make sure that you try this out today. I can't wait to see all your testimonials on your website. Drop a comment below and let me know if this was helpful. I'll see you next week.